Welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. Hope everyone is doing good out there. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and fun app which I developed few weeks back for my team members, which I named as Perfect Love. So let's see a quick demo of this app. This is the first landing page which shows a number of balloons with a button here which is called Perfect Love. Click on this, lands me onto another screen where I embedded this beautiful video, and user has to click on this love to get the points in this app. So if I click here, user can click on the hearts which are appearing multiple times to get some random values which will be the points user are getting in this app. So it's just a kind of fun app to get points by clicking and viewing this beautiful animated video. Let's dig in to see how I developed this app. So guys, this is the first screen where I added the images of these balloons, heart-shaped balloons. And here is a Perfect Love button where I'm just navigating to the next screen. Here if you see in the on select code here, navigate to Perfect Love screen, which is the second screen here. So let's go to that screen, and here are some hidden balloon images. And if I go to the visible option here, if the timer value is between 20 and 21 seconds, it will show this image, otherwise it will hide the image. And if user clicks on this image, they will get a point. So on select property, if I go to that, I have set a variable which is Perfect Love score, and then adding to the previous value of this variable to a value 5000. So it will it's the same concept applied in all the hidden balloons which shows up in during this video. I have applied these two properties, and this, if I go to the timer, on timer end it will send an email to me with the user email and the points accumulated while playing this app, which is Perfect Love score, and it will exit the app once this video ends or the timer ends. So the timer value is exactly set as the video duration. So if I go to the timer duration, if I show the timer duration, it's set here as 2 minutes 5 seconds. The balloons will appear during the different timer values, and then if user clicks on the balloons, they will get a point. It's a simple concept but a fun app just I created for my team members. If you have any questions regarding this fun app or creating another fun app for your team members, please get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Please do subscribe to my channel and add a comment in this video if you like this video and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks and see ya.